Greetings, comrades. This is Caleb, back with one more unboxing video for a while. And it's a pretty small unboxing because, well, I recently decided to get a gaming headset. An inexpensive gaming headset because, well, I'm not going for the name brands this time. I'm not going for Logitech or Corsair or SteelSeries or anything like that. Instead, I'm going for a brand that's pretty much well known for their audio devices. So you might know the brand of Sennheiser. Now, I've heard about them for a long time. They've made some pretty good quality headsets, especially for the price range. I know a few tech channels have covered some cheaper headphones from them. They're pretty good quality. And I wasn't aware that they made gaming headsets as well. And I've seen some videos on YouTube for this particular one. And for the price it started out with, it was pretty decent. You know, pretty good microphone, has good noise cancellation, and all around pretty comfortable. And the fact that it's black and blue is a plus, since you know, black and blue is kind of my MO, kind of my setup and whatnot. But anyway, let's get the knife out of the way and show you the GSP 300 gaming series headset, an EPOS Sennheiser. I can talk today. I can barely talk at all. But EPOS, I'm guessing, is a different brand that makes the gaming headsets for Sennheiser, because, again, Sennheiser is known for their pretty good quality headphones, especially for their price range. They're not going to replace Bose or, you know, Sony headphones anytime soon, but they're pretty good quality headphones. And if this sounds good, I might see what other headphones I have, because I still have my AKG Studio K240s. Still really good headphones, but I mainly wanted to get a headset so I can have a separate, like a microphone into the headset, which I used to have a few Logitech headsets, but you know, they were decent quality, but they hardly improved the mic over the years. You know, going through 3 or 4 different Logitech headsets, they still use the same microphone, and the microphone itself was subpar at best. But I've heard audio samples from this headset's microphone, and they're pretty good. And there's another version which is better in every way except for the microphone. The microphone is still good quality. It's actually worse than this one, so I'm curious how this will be. Anyway, let's go ahead and check the box itself. Closed acoustic, multi-platform. We're not gonna got these little, you know, pads here to rest on your head. And side here, nothing on the side, just contains GSP 300 headset and a PCV05 combo audio adapter. Works with PC, PS4, Xbox One, Mac, mobile, and tablet. So all you Switch people, you're out of luck. Hey, who's using a headset on Switch anyway? Yeah. Anyway, got a few different languages, but all around closed acoustic gaming headset, EPOS engineered high quality audio, intuitive integrated volume control on headset, and ergonomic design. Yeah, I not only wanted a good gaming headset, I wanted one with integrated audio controls. Like, it has a lot of headsets and headphones for that matter. You usually have a little dongle attached to the wire itself. We can actually adjust the volume on the go right from the headset, as well as like switch it to mute it and stuff. Some headphones have it, some don't. And especially gaming headsets, some have that, some don't. But yeah, here's a turn on frequency response, 15 to 26 hertz, cable length 2 meters, wearing style headband, connection 2 3.5mm jacks. Makes sense, one for the headphones and one for the microphone. Weight 290 grams. That's a lot lighter than I am. Anyway, actually I didn't need a knife after all, because it's not even taped. But yeah, these originally retail for $100, but this is on sale for $65. And I actually had quite a bit of Amazon store credit, so I used it for that, and this was just above $40 when I bought it. So for that price, it's practically a steal. So anyway, let's go slide it out. Huh. Let's cover. Okay, so we got the wired headset guide. You know, don't throw it on the roof. Don't use it in inclement weather. You know, don't feed it to your dog. You know, all that stuff. It's all plastic. It's plastic, so yeah. And of course the shadow of me in the camera's in the way, so whatever. Here we go. Pretty effective if simple packaging. So, careful. And just see. Yep, looks like the cable is detachable. Is it? It should be. It says. So you know what? I'm not gonna risk pulling that out. It might be removable, but I'm not taking that chance. Okay, so we have a separate. Okay, this is for using just one connector. So we have two connections here. You can barely see the symbols, but this is for the headphones and this is for the microphone. And this little dongle here basically plugs both of these cables into one connection for a gaming headset. Which makes sense since, you know, the Xbox, PlayStation controllers, they only have one 3.5mm audio jack, so this is naturally how you're going to use that on the consoles. But for PC, you know, you have these two separate audio jacks in the front and in your motherboard. So I mainly got this for the PC, but if I want to use it on the Xbox, I can. That dongle. And here it is. The GSP 300. This little leather ear pads here. Nice little here. And yeah, it's a bit smaller than I thought it'd be, but yeah, I'll work with it. So is this the I'm gonna assume, well, let's see how what's been. Okay, so it's gonna be the left side. So like it folds up here, you actually put it down here and a bit lower down there. You know, you want people to hear your heartbeat or whatever. But apparently this is a noise canceling microphone. I'm not quite sure because naturally this is where you're going to speak in. And I'm guessing this is like, I don't know. I'm going to assume this cancels out the outside audio, which I'm curious how that'll work. Because it doesn't have any Huh. I thought this would have a. I think. Okay, that's actually kind of clever. I'm going. This turns, so I'm assuming this is the volume knob. I'm not sure if you can press it down to mute. But it's not like I'm using this to talking to people while playing online. But let me look at the instructions real quick just to make sure. I thought this came with like a separate dongle on the cable itself, but no, I guess it's built onto the headset like some of the Logitech headsets I've used. Let's see. So we have the instructions like 17,000 languages. Let's see. Wireless headset. Okay. Nope, that's not the instructions. This is a... Yeah, this is just a specification card. Okay, well, that wasn't very helpful. But let me try these on, see how well they fit my noggin. And... Okay, they fit pretty good. Again, it's smaller than I thought it'd be. But, you know, the leather pads perfectly cover my ears, so they do a pretty good job at canceling out some outside noise, but not all of it. Let me see. Yeah, you can probably hear that. I can kind of hear it through here, so. Okay. I'll see how this works in lengthy game sessions, because usually when I'm recording videos like Doom and stuff, you take at least 30 minutes, so if they're comfortable for at least that long, I'll be happy. And I'm curious how the microphone is going to sound. I'll probably have a little audio clip by the end of this to see how the audio of the microphone's like. And here's the audio test of the microphone quality of the GSP 300 Sennheiser headset. And I must say, it sounds pretty good and pretty clear. It's not too loud, not too quiet, it's just right. So I think this is going to be a pretty good microphone to use when I'm making Doom videos and whatnot, and especially when playing Steam games, doing videos of those as well. And who knows, maybe I'll use this on the Xbox if I feel like it. So anyway, that is the GSP 300 gaming headset. I'm curious how this will work out, and hopefully this will improve my microphone quality in my videos, because the Purple Panda microphone I have is it's still good, but it's loud, a bit too loud. And, you know, having it mounted on my glass frames, you know, not very ideal. But if I mount on my shirt, my audio sounds a little bit muffled. So the only way I can get clear microphone audio is like if I connect the Purple Panda microphone to the edge of my eyeglass frames. But then it becomes too loud, so I kind of have to adjust the microphone audio through Bandicam. But I'll see how this is, and yeah, this is I'm Caleb, signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,